severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Columbus, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Sun Prairie, Watertown, Fort Atkinson, Waunakee, Jefferson, Windsor, Lake Mills, Columbus, Marshall, Waterloo, Oconomowoc, The Forest, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Fall River, Cambridge, Maple Bluff and Black La Belle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The tornado warning for East Central Iowa County will expire at 7:15 p.m. The